In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve Netflix error code E100. Let's launch the Netflix app. Here you can see that Netflix is showing the error code E100. This error code mainly indicates a device compatibility issue. You can try to solve it in many ways. First, you need to check the internet connection of your device. Error E100 can sometimes result from a weak or unstable internet connection. Verify that your device is connected to the internet by testing another app or visiting a website. If you encounter issues, restart your router and modem by unplugging them from power for about 30 seconds, then reconnecting them. Once the connection is restored, try streaming on Netflix. If the problem continues, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection or moving closer to your Wi-Fi router for a stronger signal. If you still face the problem, try clearing the cache for the Netflix app. Outdated cache files can also cause error E100. To clear the Netflix app cache, long press on the app. In the pop-up, click on the I button. In the bottom right corner, click on Clear Data. In the pop-up, click on Clear Cache. In the pop-up, click OK. Try streaming on Netflix again. Here you can see that I can access Netflix now. If you still face the problem, try uninstalling the app and installing it again. A fresh installation ensures that you have the most updated version and fixes any corruption in the app. Following these steps, you can resolve Netflix error code E100.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.